Try close that door there.
Look at the art.
Oh my god!
What's going on, Josh?
Not much.
What's happening here?
Just getting your car ready.
Yeah, so bought this off Josh. But this is the communal drift car. So yeah, Josh bought this and it's a heap of shit, and then he pawned it off onto me.
It's grand old heap of shit.
You can just get into the booth. TJ's log collection. Hi Barry. So it's piss and rain, and we said we'd collect this and fix it because it's been sitting here for a long time.
It's just a cat's bed.
Ah, for fuck's sake. Yeah, so there's been animals living in this car. Looks great though. Yeah, we're looking well, Josh.
Cormac now.
I'm not sitting in the cat. Come on, Josh. Yeah! What a rig!
Never fails, right?
The old boot. She's some yo!
It's on.
The old bumpers right there. Some yoke. Is he great now for a bit of wrecking? Ah, crap.
Could you clean it up?
You happy to get rid of some scrap?
See ya.
Oh! Yeah, you are.
Is she scratching the van around?
Did you get yourself something to sit on?
I did, yeah. I'm immune to the cat hairs now, so it's okay.
Ah, the last. There you go. Got the cool donut wheels with it for free.
You can have them.
Terrible. I don't actually ever want to put them on. I just keep this set up. Sorry, Barry. It's just his fault. He was just giving out, or he was just going on about how cool it was there, but it's totally impractical.
I know. Finally.
Tyler's the only person here in an actual jacket. The rest of us are just in hoodies in the rain.
He's gonna be wet forever. Then.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, oh, she's just got the fucking full IDC chop. Try close that door there. Don't break it now. Here. Right. Please, Barry, get some advertisement in the video.
So. Come down half a jack. I'd say you want to do a jack.
They're trestles from a building site.
There's no structural integrity.
No. Wow. But then, like, someone just did the like agriculture thing and welded a gate into the boot, like.
You.
Like that's.
Josh, the fucking stay of that. I didn't do that.
Sometimes Josh is like, didn't you?
No, do that. Look at the art.
Oh my god. That is the most hatchet shit ever. Oh,
That's yours. Like it.
nah.
Yes. You got the Panasonic.
Oh fuck, it still has the stereo.
Yeah. Doesn't work.
No?
No.
Jeez, I really got ripped off. Oh, the windows work. Yeah, she's on at a bit of an angle. Holy fuck, that was terrifying.
You didn't knock her out then.
Come on, Josh. Don't rev the life out of it.
Now.
Oh, lad.
Stop, she's fucked as it is.
Jesus Christ. The 1990, who knows, E36 325 shitbox. Alright. We'll just put it over there and ignore it for a while. She actually, wow, fucking hell.
Did they work?
Yeah.
There you go, sir. They're just,
They won't be long enough, I'd say, will they? Maybe they will, I don't know.
Jesus, they're disgusting. Why are you putting them on the car? Why didn't you go for the 17-inch Alpinas and the mud
17
flaps?
by 7 Alpina.
17 by 7 and the mud flaps and the Alpina.
And the M-Tech 2K. Very good.
When you see him at Mondello now, kicking him off.
Yeah, he won't give a fuck after a fucking few weeks, sure.
What temperature is this room, lads?
So I'm going to mill one off something.
Yeah, the first cut's always the deepest.
Yeah, I'm just going to have to leave.
Yeah, that
Buckler.
first. What's he doing? Yeah. Oh, imagine there wasn't.
Everything fine.
Oh,
Everything's A1, Charlie.
They're nice. They're not for BMWs.
Perfect. Blow the arches off it now.
Yeah, congratulations. Oh,
You've gone wrong. Come back, mate.
you've gone completely wrong.
Fix your cup. Fix your
Josh is taking out his
motor.
Well,
Neil has left me in charge of the camera.
oh good.
Or you can put a lock underneath the gear.
Just where you fill the oil, you twist the oil cap on there.
Yeah, that's where the oil goes.
Should be.
Dougie's munching on some good sweet there.
Eclair.
I got one from him as well. Jelly bits drop.
They're alright. There's half sealed in there as well.
Fucking going on a field trip.
After driving to the fucking airport, bag. Oh look, there's some toffee in there as well. Little bastard. Did you bring a bag of sweets to the airport?
There's
no asbestos.
There's light.
car is full of asbestos. If you now.
Why are you taking this engine out? Why don't you just bore it out?
We're doing a swap. We're swapping this one with this one.
Why don't you just
The ratchet cover's already painted on the other one.
Right.
Oh yeah.
Paid up, slits, smashing everything.
There you go. Ooh-wee.
La 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 la. Now, straight up and just see what we didn't connect.
What's connected and what's not?
Yeah, this will be good.
You're just touching the
You're
manifold
just-
off the
you're
booster
just-
there, so it's probably just going to push it away as you go up. It's catching a little bit.
Snagged. Josh, like, no time hammering.
No, it's a different setup altogether.
Well,
No,
yeah. What? That plug there is around that
he was here.
Wheels, all they were on already.
They were on and on.
Looking all.
Keep going.
Looks great.
I'm happy out so far.
I hope that.
Oh! Okay, stop.
Oh, yeah. Is coming with it. Okay.
Yeah. Right. Okay, go.
Smash.
Whoa.
Stop woeing it, Eamon.
Oh my god.
Oh, there's pressure.
Ooh. That would have been cool to let that happen though.
Obviously, I was thinking video.
I am. What do you think I've been fucking doing?
I know, holding the camera like a fucking fool.
The last time I'd ever had an engine.
And it got broken. You should have bought what it already done. Is this a bimmer?
I'll help there, lads.
I'm helping.
Oh, I'm not. I'm not. There's a bit of weight there. Or it's stuck on something, is it?
Yeah, it was wedged.
It's stuck on my finger.
So you need to go sump off,
Yeah.
You have to get
because you're keeping the sump.
Yeah.
And then he's going back in.
Yeah.
Now, just for now, until the other engine is ready.
Now just for now.
Big
Now-
orange finger is all those people can see.
Yeah.
Was it orange?